Hi guys, today we are going to see the 5 front-end development skill to land your first job. When it comes about starting a career in the IT industry, you have a lot of possibilities. There are so many programming languages, frameworks and libraries like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, Python, React, C, C Hash and many others. With so many choices, it is difficult to know where to begin. One of the most common mistakes made by newcomers is wasting time going from one programming language to the next one without learning anything. So in this video, we will show you how to get started with front-end development so you can focus on the things that really matters. So the first skill you should have is on basics, that is foundation. You should start with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. These are the most common languages used in the front-end development. Our web pages are structured with HTML, styled with CSS and programmed with JavaScript. These three languages, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, are used to create every single page on the internet. As a result, the better you learn and understand these languages and their features, the better you are at the front-end development. Now the second skill you should be having is on the frameworks. Well, building websites often include a bunch of repetitive tasks, and that's where front-end frameworks and libraries come. We can reuse a lot of code from a framework or library in our website. As a result, they assist us in completing the task much more quickly. Now the next skill you should be having is on version control systems. We utilize version control tools to keep track of our development history and collaborate with others more effectively. That is why it is included in every job description. There are a variety of version control systems on the market, but Git is the most widely used. So don't worry about other version control systems, you just focus on Git. Now the next skill you should be having is on CSS preprocessors. CSS is an old language with its own set of constraints. If you write CSS for medium or large application, your code will get cluttered and difficult to manage. As a result, every time you make a change, you wind up destroying something else. You are probably wondering why CSS hasn't progressed yet. In fact, it has, and the latest version is 3. However, if CSS introduces a new feature, all browsers must support it. Regrettably, this is the time-consuming procedure. As a result, CSS preprocessor is used. Now the last skill you should be having is on superset of JavaScript. JavaScript is an ancient language similar to CSS. Although it is updated on a regular basis, it still has certain restrictions. As a result, many front-end engineers prefer to create code in more current languages like TypeScript and CoffeeScript. Then they can pass their code to a tool called Transpiler, which will translate and compile the contemporary code into ancient JavaScript code that can be understood by all browsers. Now you can apply for front-end development jobs if you spend a few hours learning and coding. Everyone is of course unique. Don't be discouraged if you arrive faster or later than expected. Remember that if you are dedicated and enthusiastic about something, you can achieve it. This is it for this video. We hope that you now have a better understanding of what it takes to be a front-end web developer. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this.